One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com, and what I got here for you today is a 1965 Chevrolet Impala. It's a four-door, it's 283. I believe it's the original motor, but they rebuilt it, of course. It's an older rebuild on the motor. It's a older redo on the paint, and it's not of the highest quality paint job, but it shines and it looks decent. I'm going to go up close and show you any major flaws, but you can see the fenders there. But it's a overall clean car. Love the back end on these. And other than that, a nice new set of tires. Runs good, drives good, shifts good. It's got an Edelbrock big old double pumper on it. And it's a clean, presentable car. Fun to drive around. So other than that, Nathan, 406-546-8748. You can call me up anytime. I got lots of classics, lots of old cars out here. You name it. All kinds of stuff. All kinds of stuff. So, this car has a beat up fender here. Got a big old dent in it. All around here, it looks to be a little bit of, you know, there's a little filler in there or something, I think. There is corrosion there. And it's a full metal fender. That can be fixed, pulled out. But looks good. Chips all across the front. Scratch on the bumper. Grill's in decent shape. There is a couple of little bends and stuff in it. It's not perfect. A little smudge or something there. Kinked up. Not fitting together exactly right. Deer whistles. Underneath the car, it's clean, it's not rusty, it's in good shape. And there's a dink in the bumper right there. And other than that, you got holes in both fenders, like so. Wheel liners are in good shape. Cooper Cobras. Still got titties on the tread even. Pretty new set, or fresh set. It's like something fell on it in the garage or something. Dings, there's a couple dings in the trim right there. It's not perfectly straight as far as the trim goes. Touch up spots. It needs a restoration, it needs paint. There's checking in the paint right here. And pieces of it missing here. You know, it's pretty thick paint. That may not be filler up front. Honestly, it seems like a, what would you call it? A ding right there. An amateurish paint job that looks decent. The back, the lights are good and everything. I'm taking pictures with the trunk up. I'll just go ahead and show you that now. I have to take pictures again now though. Manifold, whip antenna, other stuff. Pretty clean in the trunk. Still got the speckle coat. We just washed it. Still got the liner around it and all. Looks good. What is that? Wow! The light works. Not real rusty or nothing. Clean. Pretty clean old car. A little corrosionary stuff showing there. But wow, that's clean. There's a dent right on the corner there. The glass is in pretty good shape. Crack in that one maybe? Looks like it, possibly. There's a couple more in the trunk there you've seen. And yeah, it's in good shape. Obvious flaws aside. So you're checking in between there. And there's not a lot of corrosion up here. It's really clean. There's a little on the lip right there, but that's not pushed down all the way. This side, pretty straight. Just planned for miscellaneous little dings. Such. Look at the hubcap smashed right there. Look at tread. Cooper Cobras, baby. All dinged up along here. There's a ding there. Another rust hole in your fender there. And that's about that. That is the exterior of the car. And I'll go ahead and show you the interior. We'll cruise down the road and drive it. Why is it all the four doors are really cleaner sometimes and the two doors are just in a pile? Look. Nice closing of the doors. original door panels, I believe. Great shape. Dash, great shape. Awesome shape dash. All the gauges are in good shape. The seats, they've got these covers on them. I don't know what shape they're in. Like that right there, you can see it's wore out a little bit, but the foam, it all seems to be good in shape. It does have the original stuff underneath it still, I think. Headliner is torn in places and fixed. Some of the tape's fallen off. It could be repaired more. Back seat, same thing on the putting the seat cover over, but it's really good shape as far as the foam and the bounce. Carpet kit, I think it looks like original carpet. I'm not sure. That's not original carpet in the package tray, but let's go around the other side. Good car. Lots of cars for sale. Lots of cars. Okay, show this one. Holes, miscellaneous holes and wear in the carpet, but I just showed the floors and I realized I was pretty zoomed up. Now I'm not. They're in great shape. Clean on the passenger side too. New exhaust, newer exhaust, and that's the car. Miscellaneous tears in the carpet, but even this part here is in good shape. That just wearing the carpet, solid still. The dash, like I said, this dash is clean because it's metal. Funny. Starts right up. We haven't really warmed this thing up either. That is definitely not the original spot for the stereo, I don't think. I'll show you under the hood when we get back from the test drive. Shifts good, drives good. I think it's a power glide this year. You ain't gonna win no races with it, but you put your foot down into it and it goes. Alright, I stopped down here on the Frontage road. I'm gonna roll the window down a bit and that's 45, so it definitely goes, but it's not a fast car. It's a cruiser. And I'm gonna go down the Frontage road here and show you all these wondrous cars. All kinds of cars for sale. Even old Mercedes. Got a Buick wagon. Eagle, nice Eagle. Low miles, one owner. 70 or 71 Fleetwood limo. So, all kinds of cars. Check out oneownercarguy.com. Make sure and subscribe here. I do lots of cool classics and such. I'm going to go show you under the hood here, take some pictures of the inside, and pretty much call it good. Again, doors are just super tight. Okay, under the hood is clean and nice. It does have factory AC. However, you don't have a compressor on it. 283. It was a rather fresh rebuild. It's got a nice Adelbrock carburetor, and the guy said he did everything on it, and it was, God, it's 5,000 or 10,000. I don't know. It's got double camel hump heads. I've got no books or records of that, so just consider it running and as is. It does not come with my red top. I was out of batteries, and look at there. It's got new struts or shocks or what have you, it looks like. I don't know if that's factory or not, the hoodliner. Not really sure on that. I'm not really sure if the factory color was white. I don't know. Center chrome is all there. It's a good, clean running car. It'll make somebody a nice driver. I wanted you to hear the horn. It's the old school real horn. And I'm gonna take a picture here. I don't know what that gauge is, by the way. I'll show you up close. He's basically fixed this whole seam with tape here because this is getting thin all along the edges, both sides. The door jambs are clean. It was white, it looks like. And I'll tell you, stuff like this make me think that the guy painted it by hand. Looks like that was brushed on almost. Better than being out in the old. God, the doors and the body is so tight. What is this? Don't know. Pressure gauge? Yeah, oil pressure. There you go. That makes sense. I couldn't read it. It's too small. Well, that's the deal. Oh yeah, factory AC. Glove box, bunch of miscellaneous fuses, and the inside liner's hanging a little low, it looks like. That does it. Well, I don't know on that. It looks like a little wide at the top. I mean, right now, man. So, that is the 65 Impala. And it's for sale. And check my website. I've got a 2000 Impala too. Really clean. And whatever. Nice car. Nathan, 406-546-8748. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment. Lots of old Trans Ams. Got a Buick Centurion there. Got an old 60-something, 64 Chevy van. Sport van. H3T. Got a nice 1-ton G30. All kinds of stuff coming up. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you.